The National Weather Service in League City
Why
has
didn't you
issued
go
a
off,
severe
bro?
thunderstorm warning for north central Missouri County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in
Holy crap. SVR number 2 of the day.
At 10:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Memorial Park, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour.
How is that? Okay, I have to say, this one is goated. Besides it having like booming reception, it's not going off. This one is absolutely goated. Unlike that Radio Shack, didn't even go off when I had perfect reception.
Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Midtown Houston, Downtown Houston, North Side or North Line, Greenway or Upper Kirby area, 2nd Ward, Greater Heights, South Belt Ellington, and Nartown or Montrose. For your protection, move to an interior room.
This is a double header. Okay, what do I do? It's a double header, let's go. But it's not from my goddamn Radio Shack. Frick you. I'm kidding.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Missouri County and southeastern
Wait, I think this
Texas,
one is new.
southeastern Harris County, and southeastern
this one is
Texas
for me.
until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh shit.
At 10:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Memorial.
I imagine there's another SVR. I want this one to go off, so I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna put the 300 here.
Expect damage
How's
to
that?
roofs, siding, entries. Or Montrose. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Okay, those are actually 2 different SVRs. Okay. 300 is up and running. What? Oh, it's on channel 7, never mind.
Pasadena, Maryland, Deer
Oh wow, it
Park,
has
South
practically
Houston,
like perfect
Bel Air,
reception.
West University Place, Galena Park, Jacinto
Wow, I'm
City,
actually happy.
Northern Mangle, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Midtown Houston, Downtown Houston, North Side or North Line.
My weather Discord's going insane right now.
2nd Ward, Greater Heights.
Okay, let's go grab the power cord for this WR300. Okay, I'm sorry I've been dead for a while, by the way. I've been having band camp for a long time, so wasn't be able to, what the hell? I wasn't able to catch up with YouTube and stuff. But I promise I will be uploading whenever I can, okay?
Strong thunderstorms were located.
Okay. SPS for us. And then the SVR for me. Yay.
35 nautical. Bay, Galveston,
Yes.
Mitchell Bay,
I don't know how I'm gonna move my ring. Probably in the same place it was at in my room.
Galveston Bay.
But yeah, SVR for me and north of me. Oh, you didn't go off. Okay, what a...
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Wow, they just
north
canceled
central
it,
Missouri
and then they just
County
issued
and
another
southeastern
one.
Texas, southeastern Harris County
Hey,
and
it's for me
southeastern
again.
Texas until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Memorial Park, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
I was editing the last video. You know what? This is gonna be a compilation. So I put you out here and you're not gonna go off either?
Impacted include
How
Pasadena,
could you?
Maryland.
It's moving closer to me. Hi, MD319.
Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Midtown Houston, Downtown Houston, North Side or North Line, Greenway
Oh, it's
or
like really
Upper
close to me
Kirby
now.
area, Second Ward.
The thunderstorm. It's just 60 miles an hour wind gust for now.
Your room on the lowest floor of a building.
Imagine this a doubleheader. Like it was last time. Oh my god. Get out of the kitchen. Out, you.
Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County.
Yeah, it's the
in
same warning.
Until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Get your act together, HGX. I think their decoder might just be messed up or something. I mean, they're in the...
Moving southeast at 35 miles per hour.
You know what? The Sanjian hasn't been getting a lot of
Damage to roofs, siding,
attention lately, so gonna put
could knock down trimmings and blow around unsecured objects.
I got the power cord and yeah. Man, don't I just love rapidly changing weather radios? It's like my favorite hobby. How amazing. Okay. Sanjian is plugged up. Yeah, I just recently learned that the pronunciation is Sanjian, not Sangian. Okay, how does the Sanjian sound?
Until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:34.
Absolutely perfect reception. Okay. Let's move this 300 back in my room.
Radar.
My friend is disappointed at HGX right now because they doubleheader twice. Classic HGX, am I right?
Deer Park, South Houston, West University.
You know, I'm just gonna have the video here.